Imagine an institution not just as a cathedral of learning, but also as the very shaping hand of justice, where the world's brightest legal minds are sculpted. This aspirational imagery isn't just fantasy, it's an everyday reality in the corridors of the world's top law universities where future legal leaders are born. These institutions stand not just as places of learning, but as prominent shapers of legal systems and contributors to the global judiciary landscape. Here, the blend of venerable traditions with cutting-edge legal thought creates an incubator for the next generation of justices, attorneys, and policymakers. In today's rapidly changing legal environment, where laws intertwine with global issues such as human rights, environmental policies, and international trade regulations, choosing the right place to study law has never been more critical. The following analysis delves into this complex domain, presenting a curated overview of top-tier global universities known for their influential academic environments and profound impact on worldwide legal practice. To start, the trajectory often begins in the hallowed halls of institutions like Harvard Law School in the United States or the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom. These centers of legal excellence have not only produced a significant portion of the world's leading legal professionals, but have also been pivotal in the evolution of legal standards globally. Harvard Law, for instance, is synonymous with rigorous intellectual training and a formidable network of alumni, including multiple US presidents and Supreme Court justices. Consider the academic atmosphere in Harvard Law School, characterized by its landmark library, the largest of its kind worldwide. This resource-rich environment fosters a depth of legal scholarship that is nearly unparalleled. Similarly, Cambridge, with its centuries-old statutes and global legal narratives, commands a deep respect. Its unique melding of historical reverence with contemporary legal issues allows students not just to study law, but to deeply engage with it. Their curriculum emphasizes not only the theory, but the practical application of law, preparing students to tackle legal challenges on an international scale. Conversely, outside the English-speaking world, the University of Tokyo and the National University of Singapore stand as beacons of legal education in Asia. They bring distinct perspectives to the legal discussions, reflecting regional legal systems and contributing significantly to regional law practices and beyond. It's not enough to be steeped in legal theory. The top law schools today are as much hubs of innovation as they are guardians of legal tradition. They are places where the doctrines of law are continually stretched and redefined, responding to the complexities of the modern world. A prime example of this adaptation and influence is seen in Stanford Law School's emphasis on technology and law. Stanford has integrated cutting-edge technology studies into its curriculum, preparing students for legal landscapes that now heavily involve aspects like cybersecurity, data privacy, and intellectual property. During interactive seminars at Stanford, students discuss emerging legal scenarios involving artificial intelligence and blockchain, reflecting how deeply these top law schools influence legal thought and practice globally. Moreover, the legal research output from these universities often guides policy decisions and judicial reforms worldwide. For example, research conducted at Yale Law School has directly influenced major US policies on healthcare and immigration, showcasing the profound societal impact these institutions have. These schools also have a notable direct action impact on international legal challenges. For instance, the Geneva Academy of International Humanitarian Law and Human Rights, affiliated with the University of Geneva, actively engages in shaping laws concerned with global crises, such as the refugee crises and armed conflicts. Their contributions not only reflect academic excellence, but real-world global impact. In conclusion, as the landscape of global law continues to evolve, the crucibles that produce the world's legal leaders remain crucial not only for individual careers but also for the broader legal and societal norms. Institutions renowned for legal education such as Harvard, Cambridge, Stanford, Tokyo, and Geneva continue to stand out as monumental influences of legal systems both locally and globally. For aspiring lawyers around the world, these universities are not merely educational institutions, but gateways to becoming pivotal players in the grand narrative of global law and justice. This analysis, grounded in current data and cross-referenced with global legal trends, underscores the enduring relevance and authority of these law schools in our modern world.